Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in the today's video, we will build a complete end-to-end data engineering pipeline on Google Cloud. So we will learn how to create a Google Cloud Console MySQL database, then how we can insert the sample data, how we can store the credentials in the secret manager, how we can read the data using the Dataflow and the Apache Beam, and how to load the data into the BigQuery. So guys, this is nothing but this is uh, a production style ETL pipeline. So by end of this video, you will have this production style ETL pipeline. So let's understand the architecture. So first of all, guys, uh, Cloud SQL will store all the transactional data. Okay, and we will keep the secret manager to securely store the database credentials, and then we will write some data flow code that extract the data from the MySQL and transform it, and finally we will load into the BigQuery. So that's it, guys. So let's create the MySQL database or MySQL instance first. So create the MySQL instance. You need to go to Cloud SQL. Make sure that API should be enabled. Okay. So guys, I already created okay, let me show you the way. Like you can click on this new instance, then you can click on the this instance, then you can just clear you can select any one of these, like you can set this enterprise, then not production, we are creating for the development, so you can use the development. Here you can give the instance ID, and let's say what are the instance ID you want to give. Let's say RDBMS demo, whatever you want, like it's up to you. Then here you can add the password. Okay, I already created, so perfect. Then here you need to select the location, and in the advanced options, machine configurations, yeah, you can select the 2 CPU because we are using for the demo purpose, and you can select the 10 GB space. Yeah, and you can just click on the create instance. So it will take to 10 to 15 minutes to uh, create this instance. Once this instance is ready, then the next step is that we need to create the uh, database, right? So here we are creating the if you go to this database, so here you can click on the create database, and here you can add like what are the database you want. Like let's say in our case it's a sales DB, and just you can click on the create. Okay, so I already created this one, guys. Okay, so for this this one we have to create one user. So let's go to the users, and you can just add user account. Here you need to use, you can give the user, let's say so let's say I want to use the Kiran, and you can just give the password here, and just scroll down, you can click on the add. Okay, so once that is done, then we have to add some tables, right? So let's go to this Cloud SQL Studio. So here you can log in to your sales DB. Okay, and here Kiran, and here you can add the password. Okay, and click on the authenticate. Perfect. So guys, here we need to create some tables. Okay, so to create the tables, you can use this create table command, and you can insert some few detail, a few records. So because I already created the table, so you can use this one. Okay, so I already created this table, ordered table. So if I query, I will show you the database some records. If you see, I created this one, and I added few records. Okay, now, so guys, here our 1 minute. So here this step is completed, right? So we have created the MySQL instance. Now we have to store all the credentials in secret manager, right? So to store the secret manager, uh, we have the two ways. Like we can use the either we can use the uh, cloud shell or like command line tool, or we can directly store in using the console as well. So here you need to go to the secret manager. Okay, so here you need to go to secret manager. So if you see here, I created the two entries. One is for user and one is user, which is adding the user, and one is the password. So how you can do that one? So you can create the secret. Okay, so here you can give the secret name. So because we need to fetch the user ID and password at a runtime, so we will give the MySQL user you can give. Okay, and here you need to add your user. So in our case it's Kiran, and then you can just click on the create secret. And the same for the password. So for the password you need to click on the create one, and here you need to use the MySQL password. So what are the passwords you have given at the time of creation? You have to use here. Okay, so here you need to give the password. Let's say anything. Let's say if you have given, let's say uh, ABC something, ABC at the rate 123. What are the passwords you have given, right? You can use that one here. Okay, and just click on the create secret. So it will create the secret for you. Okay, then uh, so that's it, guys. And the next step is like if you go here. So here we are using, so we need to load the data into the BigQuery, right? So we need the data in the datasets in the BigQuery. So you have to go to, you need to go to BigQuery. Okay. So inside the BigQuery, you have to create one dataset. So let's create the datasets. So I have created one of the dataset called the sales dataset. So how you can create? You can click on the three dots, create dataset, and here create, sorry, it should be sales datasets. Okay, sales dataset, and you can just use the create dataset. So I already created, so you can also create. Okay, so this is one part, guys. So in this part we have set up the MySQL instance, then secret manager, and also the dataset. So in the next video we will understand the Dataflow code, and we will run the end-to-end pipeline. So that's it, guys. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.